keyboard I'm using, and the keyboard actually working like a magic. I've been using it now for a while, but I decided to make this video now because I deleted the keyboard a couple of days ago. Then a few hours ago, then I realized how difficult using my phone was for me. And it's not like there are no other keyboard that I can actually use. Like right now I'm using A73 Samsung A73, but and the Samsung itself have a keyboard, but it seems not really the way I want it. Okay, now so let me just show you the keyboard quickly. Swift key. So the keyboard name is Swift key. So the one you are seeing over here. And how does this keyboard work? Look at how it looks like actually. So you can see we have Bing over here, the Bing robot, where you can ask questions. The same question you can ask ChatGPT. You can ask this Bing also. You can use you can create a GIF, you can create a sticker, and the other one is here. You can use AI to generate artwork or any by continuing your video. Okay, continue. So you can use it to create artwork, and you can also use it to create a meme also. So I turn off my internet currently so that I'll be able to do what I'm doing successfully. So at the same time, if you save anything on your phone, you can see this we have here. You can pin whatever code or number that is. You can also, in your clipboard, you have clipboard on this wallet. On this, that's just a wallet. On this keyboard also. So you can type. You can see I can send it. All the things I've saved in my clipboard. I can send it. I can use it again. I can pin it down if I want so that it will not disappear for next time use. So and it can be there for as long as I want it. You can also have a translator inside the keyboard. Let us say someone is chatting with you now. The person is typing in French and you don't understand French. You can copy the person's chat and paste it inside this keyboard. The keyboard will tell you what the person means, and you will also reply the person. You will type in English, but the keyboard will bring it out for you in French. Then you'll be able to send it to the other person. Let's see for example now. Okay, my language is still loading, but I turn on my internet now so that I'll be able to do what I'm doing successfully. So that will be a very big barrier over there. Okay, so let's go back. You can also use your voice this thing to type. So as you can see, I'm talking right now, and everything I'm saying is going in there. So you can see that everything I'm saying is going in there. So let me do it again. Okay, let me do it again. I just send that. So that's it on that part. Then this, I don't know what this is meant for, but I think it's for me to understand the Swift key itself. So that is that for support. And over here we have tons of information also. So you can see this. We have my login. I have to log into the wallet. Why do I keep saying wallet? I have to log into the keyboard so that my information can be saved on the keyboard. Sticker, to-do list. You can create to-do list for the day. So those things you will even get a reminder. You can see there's a reminder. You can set the task, set due date, and then reminder. You can do that also on this keyboard as well. And we have editor, whereby I believe I have not used it before, but it's also via internet. So the editor actually will help you if you are a content creator or you want to send a long message to someone. So you can use the editor to have your things. You can go under settings and settings out. This layout, I love it so much. It gives you the Qwerty, Azati, and the Colmark, Dvorak, and so on and so forth kind of keyboard. But I prefer the Qwerty one so far. So Ignito, you can type also in Ignito. This Ignito will actually help you type so that Microsoft will not get a hold of your information. Your information will not be saved on the keyboard, because everything you are typing, it's saving on the keyboard, so that the keyboard will know how you normally type what you type. So what this means is that if you have an idea of that time where you post when you want to post things online, and then instead of you saying food, your keyboard change it to fork, or you want to say I do, and then your keyboard switch it to idiot. So that kind of thing will not be happening if you normally don't type idiot or FUCK kind of word. So that is what that's why the keyboard saves the way you type. But if you want to type in Ignito, you don't want it to save that word that you want to type, you can use the Ignito to type, and you can resize it also. If you resize it, you will have your things in the way you want it. So that is on that resizing part. Oh, I've done that and I don't want to do what I just did. Okay, so I have to click here. You can see what I just created now, so that's crazy. So you can resize it. You can resize it the way you want it to be. So I've just bring it back to the proper way I want it to be now. And I also have a theme. So under the theme, you can create the kind of keyboard that you want. You can have a colorful ones. This is one I'm using currently. So you can have it white if you love. If you're a white lover, you can mix both, either the black and the white together. You can use colorful one if you like colorful. You can also customize it. Create the wallet the way you want it to look. Oh my god, I said wallet again. You can create the keyboard the way you want it to look like. And look over here, other gallery. If I turn on my internet now, we have a tons of keyboard, fashionable keyboard over here now, and that will help you choose some other ones that are already built. So that is how to use that. And another one that we have is mode. Okay, I don't understand what this mode is. Okay, one hand, yeah. So instead of me reshaping it the way I did the other time, I can use one hand. I can use floating one. I can be moving my keyboard hand and I'll be typing it. So you can also divide it so that your thumb you'll be able to chat like a robot, like very fast if you use that. And the full one, so you can also use that as well. So we have autocorrect. If you autocorrect, so I just turn it. Autocorrect is now off. I don't want to off it. I have to bring it back on. I like autocorrect on this because it actually autocorrect the way I type. I normally don't type short word like using some I don't really do much of typing short word. I type short word, but I don't do much of typing short word. And at the same time, And at the same time, I also don't type some bad word also. I don't use bad word when I'm typing. So I prefer using full word, and if I'm typing short code words also, it depends on the kind of person I'm chatting with. So for that, I prefer the autocorrect to use what I use most of the time to correct me. So that's why the autocorrect, and that's what this keyboard do mostly. If you are the type that type short word mostly, then that's what you'll be getting. It will be recommending that for you when you are typing, and then that's it. So we have emoji. We have emoji too. You can use as many as you want. So that one is normal on every keyboard actually. Then the last one here we can share this thing also, but that's not. So it also have a settings. Under the settings, I wish it come up. I really wish it come up. It's come up. It's come up. It's come up. It's come up. I really wish it come up. It doesn't actually. So let me just turn on the internet. Oh my goodness, I can't. Okay, so that's it for today. So if you like this keyboard, you can just search it online on a Google Play Store. Microsoft Swift Key. Microsoft Swift Key. So that is the name. So search it on Google and okay, it's back here. So you can see under the settings, you can choose the language, the theme, the typing, the emoji, the reach. That is the me talking into the keyboard and it's typing it out. The layout, which is where you create the keyboard. You can make it sound and vibrating when you are typing. So that is also this. And the privacy, blah blah, and feedback, blah 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 blah. And here we go. But to really enjoy this keyboard, you have to like log into it, which is what you see over here, and then it will be backing up and synchronizing your words into your email. What's it called? So it will be backing it up, and you can delete, you can save more, whatever the way you want it. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to this channel and like this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you and bye everyone.